Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here before, don't forget to like and comment. So anyway, on Memorial Day, I decided that I was going to spray paint the silver wire racks that I had in my office. My office is not that big, so I've been expanding everything that I've been doing. I've been building up vertical basically, so I can have more room for storage, for supplies, for inventory. So I figured it was nice enough out that I was going to go outside and actually spray paint these two racks for me. So I didn't have any cardboard, so here I cut up a couple trash bags. It was a little bit windy this day, but that worked out for me. So after fighting with those for a minute, I went on and brought my racks out. As you can see here, one is short with 3 tiers. The other one is a 5 tier. I got them both from Amazon, and it was cheaper to get the silver racks versus getting white racks already. It would have saved me a lot of time and hand pain, but it was all right. I got it done. The husband here was coming out to show me what I was doing wrong. Well, I ain't gonna say what I was doing wrong, how to improve on what I was doing, because he used to do this stuff. So me, myself, I just kept on going at it. You can see where the wind is blowing. You can see some of the spray paint, so I did have a mask on. You can see where my trash bag was blowing up. You know that saying where it says, do as I say, not as I do? This was a prime example of that. When I tell you, I kept doing things the wrong way because I was trying to get it done. My hands was hurting, fighting the trash bags, but it was all right. The husband was directing me, showing me everything of how to paint, spray paint it. My finger was hurting, but, I pushed through. So my husband decided to come out and show me some more techniques when it comes to spray painting, how to use the cardboard to keep the wind from wasting so much spray paint. When I tell you, I went to the store and bought 2 more cans because I originally had 1 can, and I knew that 1 can was not going to be enough for these 2 racks. And I originally intended to do 2 brown crates that I had as well. So he was showing me how to catch it and keep it from blowing everywhere. Because again, like I said, it was windy, but I made it happen. So he was just coming out showing me different techniques and things that I can use that would be beneficial to me and not fight against that wind, because the spray paint was blowing back on me. Even though I had a mask on, I was still trying to be mindful and careful of that. So he was just showing me, and then also so it won't spray our patio furniture or the grass. So he was just showing me what I need to do, and then he was letting me have at it. One thing I like that my husband, he see I try to do things so I don't bother him as much. He'll show me the right way to do it versus me just trying to figure it out. He always comes out and gives me great tips. So thanks, hubby. So here I'm just painting away, minding my own business, trying to get everything done. And what happens? My camera falls over. I didn't realize it right away. So here's a lovely view of the sky because I didn't realize my camera had fell over. So I went and picked it up and just started all over again. But at this point too, because the ground in our backyard is not that even, so it caused it to tilt. And like I said, it was really windy, truthfully. So I was trying to keep the wind from blowing me away, from blowing the bags away. This was not a good day to actually spray paint the racks, but here you can see how they turned out. It wasn't the best spray paint job, but one thing about my brand and my setup, I have a distressed kind of look, so it was fine if it was not perfect. It's serving the purpose of what I need. So it was all right. I'm just showing you all around how it looks. So it looks all right. It's not too bad. I could have done better, but I'm proud of myself because I actually did it. So here you can see the final outlook of what it looks like. You can't really tell if I did a great job or a bad job, but it's going to be in my office. Nobody's going to see it but me. And maybe when I do B-roll videos, you'll probably see it here and there, but it's not bad. It is doing what I needed to do, is serving my purpose. I was just putting everything back up after I let everything dry because it didn't take long for the spray paint to dry. I did go back out there a couple times and I laid them down flat, and I didn't get no video footage of that when I spray painted again. And I should have did it like that the first place instead of trying to spray paint them while they're standing up. That wasn't really a good idea, but you live and you learn, and you know what not to do the next time. So I just got 5 different shelves here, so it works out good for my products. And I switch out with my summer products versus my winter products. So this gave me a chance to reorganize everything. And as you can see, all my products are colorful, so it really pops out against the white racks versus me having like a dark color racks. And if you're wondering why my stuff is in bags, it's because when I go do events, it's easier to group everything together in a bag versus putting them individually in a tub. I used to do that. And just in case if anything spills, it just helps a lot. I am more organized in my office. Like at the bottom here, I'm putting my candle supplies, but they're actually going to go on that shorter rack that you saw. I just haven't got around to doing that yet. So I'm trying to have my aromatherapy separated from my skincare products, and then my stationery is separated as well. It just makes it easier when somebody orders something. If I'm organized, it's just very helpful that way. Everything fitted the way I intended it to. And here's what the short rack looks like. And I have it on top of another shelf, again, because I'm building upwards. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.